Today, I'm gonna highlight the highlighter. Oh, diba? Because my friend has requested for me to take a video of this. I bought this like many months ago. And I'm using this almost every day. It actually has white color because the shade of this is the Ice Planet. But because of my dirty hands sometimes, so nahugaw-hugaw na siya. But this is how you're gonna do it. I just want to demo that you just can put like that, slide like that. Sa ganahan magugug ka ng daghan para mo glow ba. So pwede rin siya iana dira. Look at, I will show you with kanang darker angle. Ganahan ko kanang medyo butangan ako diri gamay sa ilong. Pwede po siya diri actually. Nagi siya difference when you to i-close gamay ang mga diba mo glitter siya. So this is Focallure. Actually there are lots of shades na available. 3 na murag gold, na murag pink, ana. But I chose this because I have another shade with another brand. So ganahan na jud ko ani pod kay any color, any shade, it can complement. But any shade will do as long as again you're wearing it with confidence. It's the confidence that matters. Look at the Focallure effect. Oh my god. I so like it. This is so nice. It is worth the price, really. And it's not even expensive. But you know, it is like cost effective. Ambot og kano sa pani mahurot siguro it will take 5 to 10 years bago ni siya mahurot. Kagamay na ambot mo ibutang diha ana ra. For those girly girls who are watching, let's all shine together. It glows up our day, it glows up our beauty, and it glows up our look. Feel pretty every day, like you're owning the world.